Hey guys, so today I have is the Canyon Evo 10 Limited from Canyon.com. I am not blown away by this bike for the value of the price, but the lightness of a production bike which you can actually buy seems to be unparalleled. I only had to put on the seat post, front wheel, and all-in-one stem and handlebar for this setup. The rear derailleur and brakes were already set up nicely for a quick ride. No tuning necessary here, which I really appreciated, and thanks to these guys for making it so. The shifting is absolutely smooth without a need for a tune-up. The chain is silent as they come out of the box. There are no hacking or fiddling around, just put on the stem, the front wheel, and with some light tuning you're set to go. I have the seat angled to around 5 degrees to make it more comfortable on the stop and go climbs on the New York City streets. I will link the video, which is a template on how to assemble this bike, since Canyon provides all the tools you'll need for setup and first ride. They do also provide a large manual. It could be a PDF, but I do appreciate that they do provide that manual. As this is a Canyon purchase, the bike will come 90% installed, and again, it is quite important that you tighten the handlebars, brakes, and saddle for safety. Do not over tighten. The bolts have indicators as to how much torque should be used, and this information is especially helpful since Canyon includes a torque wrench, which is absolutely amazing. You would want to use some silicone paste on some of the parts which are carbon made, which is also included in the packaging. I haven't weighed it, but the advertised weight is 13.2 pounds, and you definitely notice it. The carbon is light and stiff as any racing bike. It moves like magic on flat surfaces with almost no rolling resistance, and it climbs like a dream. The wheels are a Zip 202 NSW 23mm, which just rolls like Nutella on bread. And even the brake calipers are carbon THM fibula, which are 60 grams apiece. Let's hear the free hub. Not loud, and goes as well with the stealth look of the racer. The rest of the specs you can get from Canyon's website link. And as usual, again, I'll leave the PSI calculator link below so you can customize the pressure of your tires for an efficient roll. Even though I like a light touch to my brakes, this inbox setup was so nice I didn't need to change it from default. They even make a reverse thruster note sound as if the jet has landed safely on the runway. Mainly the group set a SRAM Red E-tap, which is wireless and are nice to have, but cleaning around the wireless mech is a little complicated because you don't want any degreasers around the electronics. I did not add any bottle cages or computers onto this bike since I would like it to be as light as possible and usually use it for relaxed rides around the city. I wouldn't recommend that you buy this bike unless you are looking for the latest bike from a well-known manufacturer. Canyon now has the CFR, which is also light, and you might want to consider an aero bike since those really do make a difference in races. I will share a link to a video which explains this much better and in great detail. Hope this helped.